everybody, how are you? My name is Aileen and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can make a beautiful and a little cake in the Illustrator. So let's start the video. Oh, what is the name? Yes, I know that. It's the cake. Let's create this. Oh, sorry guys, I'm late. So let's start. Guys, if you don't know us yet, let me tell you that my name is Aileen and this is my best friend, Amy. Let's continue the video. Let's take it step by step. When making a cake, start by drawing its shape. This will make it easier for us to continue designing. We will add some cream. I'd like to mention that this channel will cover interesting topics, including how to work with Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop. If you have any idea, feel free to share them in the comments so we can create together. Check it out. Continuing with our cake design, I will add a subtle shadow to make our work more interesting. Consider using white lines to add fanciful details. Oh, wait a moment, Evie. What's missing? I know, Eileen. We don't have any candle on our cake. So let's make it together. The current shape of the flames isn't quite circular. We can improve them by using the pen tool to create a more rounded flame. That's the right approach.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah.
Now, Eileen, let's add decoration to our cake. Great job, my friend.
If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah.
The video concludes here. If you'd like to see more content like this, please leave a comment, like and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.